Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.2 question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio of 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Let us check. Here you see the two numbers are in the ratio of 5:3. That is 5 by 3. Right? What is the meaning of this ratio? That means if we take one number as 5x, the other number will be 3x. Here if we cut the x's, we will again get the ratio as 5 by 3. This is common, x, right? Therefore, you have to take two numbers such that one is 5x and the other is 3x. Let the two numbers, let the two numbers, let the two numbers, let the two numbers, let the two numbers be 5x and 3x and 3x. According to the question, if they differ by 18, what are the numbers? According to the question, 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 5x minus 3x, that is equal to 18, it is given, right? Or 5x minus 3x, that we are getting 2x, 2x is equal to 18. On dividing both sides by 2, on dividing both sides by 2, both sides by 2, we get 2x by 2, that is x, is equal to 18 by 2, that is value of x is 9, right? Therefore, we have taken the two numbers as 5x and 3x. Therefore, one number is equal to 5x, and that comes to 5 into 9, that is 5 nines are 45. And other number we have taken is 3x, that is equal to 3 into 9, that is 3 nines are 27. These are the two numbers we got, that is 45 and 27, right? Therefore, you got two numbers 45 and 27. One number is 45 and the second number is 27. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.